Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show passenger side mirror replacement on a Nissan Altima easy method. Start by gathering a trim tool, 10mm socket, replacement mirror, and safety gloves. Remove the interior trim panel to access the 3 mirror bolts and wiring plug. Carefully unplug the electrical connector and support the mirror while removing bolts. Transfer any mirror controls or heating elements to the new unit, then reinstall in reverse order and test operation. After the trim is off, keep a firm hand on the mirror as you loosen the 3 10mm bolts to prevent it from falling. Pull the mirror outward slightly while you access and depress the wiring connector tab to unplug it. Inspect the mounting area for corrosion or broken clips and clean as needed. If the mirror housing is damaged, transfer switches or heating elements to the new unit before final installation. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful DIY videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for picking up metal shavings and dust after a repair, and it even responds to voice control for hands-free cleanup. It's a small convenience that saves time and keeps your workspace tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Set the replacement mirror onto the studs and hand start each bolt so the mirror sits flush and aligned. Reconnect the electrical plug and verify power adjustment, heating, or signal functions before tightening bolts. Torque the bolts evenly to avoid stress on the housing and reinstall the interior trim panel by pressing clips into place. Reconnect the battery negative terminal and do a final test of all mirror functions to confirm a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.